Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off notification on Duolingo. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Now tap on girl's icon bottom center. Now tap on settings. Under settings, tap on notification. Here you can see a reminder notification, friends, leaderboards notification. Now simply tap on reminders. Now you can see two options, phone or email notification. You want to turn off email or phone notification, simply tap on phone icon. Now turn off phone notification on your Duolingo account. Here simply turn off email icon. Now turn off email or phone notification on your Duolingo account. That's it. Successfully turn off notification on Duolingo. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.